Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. Since a long weekend of potential partying is on the horizon, we decided it would be a great time to highlight organic Hangover Relief Tea. This tea is designed to help your body recover and rehydrate with 6 organic ingredients that we'll go over now. The first ingredient in this blend and the base of this blend is organic sencha green tea. Green tea contains caffeine, which can help improve reaction time, memory, and mood. It can also help provide relief from headaches and nausea. Studies have shown that drinking green tea can help lessen the long-term damages that alcohol has on the body, such as liver diseases. Next up is organic ginger root. Ginger root is a common home remedy for hangovers because it's great for reducing inflammation, pain, and nausea, along with lessening headache symptoms. The anti-inflammatory properties also help to break down the alcohol in the system faster. Ginger root also gives this blend a soothing flavor. These pretty purple flowers are organic milk thistle. Milk thistle is known to aid in preventing liver damage and improving liver function. This ingredient won't do much for a hangover at the time, but will assist the liver in detoxifying the body after alcohol consumption. Organic peppermint is known for its ability to relieve headaches and reduce mental stress, along with promoting sleep. It is also commonly used to help settle the stomach and improve digestion. Organic turmeric is our 5th ingredient. Turmeric is a superfood that contains the active compound curcumin, which can help reduce inflammation and relieve nausea. Turmeric can also help to reduce the mental and physical effects of a hangover, along with helping to detoxify and reduce stress in the liver. Our final ingredient is organic fennel. Fennel is great for easing nausea and indigestion. Additionally, fennel helps to reduce the effects of alcohol on the body and liver. Although this tea is delicious on its own, this is a really fun and refreshing way to enjoy it iced. This recipe starts with a couple teaspoons of organic Hangover Relief Tea and about 6 ounces of very hot water. While the tea is steeping, I'm going to squeeze the juice of half a lemon and cut the rest up to be used later. I'm going to remove the strainer from the tea and add some ice cubes and give it a stir to cool it down so it's ready to go over iced in this iced tea drink. In my glass, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar, my lemon juice, a few mint leaves, and muddle that all together before topping that with a few lemon slices, some ice, and my iced tea. This is a super easy drink that's really refreshing and light. It tastes a little bit like a virgin mojito, and when it's garnished with a little bit of lemon and mint, it's really beautiful to look at. Thanks so much for watching Tea of the Week this week. I hope you enjoyed it and will give this recipe a try. I am currently drinking it as I edit this video, so I hope you have a great rest of your weekend and happy almost 4th of July. Bye-bye!